behind you. Just give him a little bit of room. Keep it clean and play nice. Once again, guys, if you didn't hear that announcement, we will be doing some of the raffle prizes in between rounds 1 and 2, and we'll finish them up in between rounds 2 and the mains. So you're gonna want to stick around for that. There is a bunch of good stuff off for raffle. So if you want your tickets, go get them now. All right, first couple laps, Jason out in front, 24-10-20 on a new TQ run. Steve in the 2 spot, Big Dog in the 3, Rodney 4, and Nick 5. I do believe I'm going to combine this into one heat. There were only 8 of you, I believe. 2 down, 8 to go. Jason out in front, 24-10-13. 2.8 seconds back is Big Dog. Big Dog in the 2 spot. Rodney in the 3, Steve in the 4, Nick in the 5. .7:15 remaining. Jason still out in front, still on a TQ run. Big Dog in the 2 spot, Rodney in the 3, Steve 4, and Nick 5. So Jason still out in front, slowing down though, 23-10-03. Big Dog in the 2 spot, Rodney in the 3. Top 3 drivers still on a TQ run with Steve in the 4 and Nick in the 5. All right, so 5 down, 5 to go. Rodney now taking over the lead, 23-10-05. Big Dog in the 2 spot. Jason in the 3. Steve in the 4. Nick in the 5. Last time by for Rodney, 25-0. Big Dog, 26-9. Jason with a 25-8. Steve with a 25-4. And Nick with a 27-9. Fast lap on the track belongs to Jason, 24-6. He put that down on his 4th lap. Jason now on his 11th lap. And Jason down in the 3 spot, trying to work his way back in the mix. Only 7/10 of a second behind Big Dog, so we will see what happens with that one. Big Dog putting down a 25.8. Jason a 24.9. Jason taking over the 2 spot. I believe that's Rodney having to walk off the driver's stand.